Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be testing out a new to me product. It's not a brand new product, but it is definitely new to me, and it is the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. And this is the packaging, and this is what it looks like. And yes, I bought it at Macy's. And I do have shade number 9. Not really sure how this is going to look, but we are going to try it out. If you want to see that review, then be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. So guys, let's jump into the video. Okay, so it's really funny how I even stumbled across this. Okay, well, actually, I had seen a couple of reviews on it a couple months ago when it first launched, but I really didn't have a desire to try it out because if you've been on my channel for a while now, you know that I absolutely love full coverage foundations. And this is not a full coverage foundation. I think it says it is light to medium. Yeah, light to medium coverage. And it says that it's weightless, breathable, and it gives a natural looking coverage. So it's supposed to blur your skin to look like skin and feel like you have nothing on at all. And how I decided to purchase this is, I want to say maybe, I guess it was last month or the month before last, I did post 2 videos related to Morphe. So I did a Morphe store experience video, and then I also did a Morphe store haul. So I showed you all the things that I purchased while I was there. Well, there is a Macy's in Victoria Gardens shopping center close to the Morphe store, and on my way out of the shopping center, I saw it, wanted to stop in, and I noticed that they had a Benefits brow bar inside of the Macy's. So I had gone there, I was like, well, heck, I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. So I sat there, had a little quick consultation, had a lady do my eyebrows, and then of course I already had a full face of makeup on, so when she was doing my eyebrows, obviously some of the makeup on my forehead came off, so she obviously didn't want to let me go out looking crazy, so she filled in my forehead with some coverage, and this is what she used. And I told her, I was like, well, what did you just put on my face? And she showed me, I was like, I'll take it, I'll try it. And I legit have not tried it since then, and really it was just kind of right here, so I really didn't see how it looked on overall on my face. So I want to test this out because it's been sitting here in my drawer not getting any use at all, and I figured today is the best day to do it. I don't know why, it's just a random day. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. Before we do that, I have got to put something on my lips. They are so dry and crusty. Oh god, this feels so much better. And if you're wondering, this is the Beauty Counter lip conditioner in peppermint. Smells so good, and it makes your lips feel so great. Alright, so I am going to prime my face, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Pro Base Blur Primer. I figure that since this is supposed to be a blurring foundation, I will couple it with a blurring primer. So I'm going to use a little bit of that. I think I used a little too much, but I'm gonna put it in my problem area, or areas. A little bit on the forehead, and a little down here. Alright, I used entirely too much, but I didn't want to waste it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all over my face. So again, this is light to medium coverage liquid foundation, and it does have an SPF of 15 in it. And let's see here. Alright, it doesn't have any major claims on the box, so we're just gonna jump in. I think this little box is so cute, and this is a really small foundation. Okay, so it says, hello you. This light to medium coverage foundation evens out skin tone and blurs out imperfections with a soft focus optical blurring sphere. And it looks like skin and feels like nothing at all. So it says to shake well before use, blend 1 drop onto clean moisturized face, and keep repeating to build up the desired coverage. So here's what the actual bottle looks like. Real cute. So that's the back. Here's the front of the bottle. Real cute little thing, and let's see. You do get 1 full fluid ounce. So this is comparable to most of your other foundations, whether it be a stick or a liquid. So definitely get in there. I'm not 100% sure of the price, but I will have it linked up here or definitely down in the description box, because I don't remember. For some reason, I think it was maybe around 30 or 40 bucks. And Macy's was having a sale, so that was one of the reasons why I went ahead and bought it. And let's just put, oh, it's very liquidy. As you can tell there, ooh, now I'm sitting here second guessing this color, but as I rub it in, it's not too bad. It blends in. So you can tell the difference in my regular skin over there and then this with it on. Okay, so because it is so liquidy, I think I'm gonna use a kind of like a duo fiber stippling brush to stipple this on my face, because I feel like with the sponge, it's going to soak up a lot of the product. So definitely gonna use this Morphe M436 stippling brush. And I think the best thing to do would probably be just to put some on my face since it's so liquidy, like this. And I'll get my forehead in a minute. And I've got a mirror right here in front of me, so I'm just gonna go to town here. Okay, definitely light coverage. Like this is definitely like a summertime foundation. It's almost, if it was a little bit thicker, in consistency, I would compare this to a tinted moisturizer. But only reason why I'm not calling it a tinted moisturizer is just because it's so liquidy and runny. But I don't feel like this is giving me any coverage whatsoever. And again, I mean, I stand by, I don't think that I should use a sponge with this, because I feel like the sponge is just going to soak every single bit of this product up. Now it does say that it's buildable, and it does say it's just light to medium, so I wasn't expecting a lot of coverage, but I think I was expecting just a smidget more. So I think I'm going to try to build it up a little bit here. Oh, I'm kind of clogged here. Let me put the top back on and shake it a little bit. There we go. All right, let's see. All right, there we go. I feel like I got a little bit more coverage for sure. Okay, so here's what we're looking like after 2 applications, so 2 layers of coverage, no powder, no nothing. Again, this is a great no makeup look foundation. If you just want some light coverage just to get you a little something on your face and get you out the door, this would probably be perfect. If you wanted to completely hide dark marks, circles under your eyes, blemishes, hyperpigmentation, that type of thing, this is not your girl. This is not the coverage or the foundation choice for you. But if you just want something quick, light, throw it on your face, you just have that little soft, subtle glow and that little blurred effect, I do think it does that. And I think this is perfect. If you're in a rush, again, I stand by, you need to use this foundation with a brush of some sort. A nice little stippling brush would be ideal, because even like a thicker, more dense brush, I feel like all the product's just going to go down in the middle of it and it's not really going to disperse over top of your skin. So I definitely think that this looks nice. It looks nice for what it is. So let me just do a little bit more of my face real quick and I'll come right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just stuck with the theme of like the no makeup look, and so I didn't do any liner or anything. I just popped on some mascara. I filled in my brows a little bit, and I used some of the YSL lip stain. And again, all of the products that I did use, the mascara, the lip stain, the eyebrow products, as well as the foundation, will be down in the description box. And you all know I couldn't not do a little bit of highlighter, but I just did a little bit. Just a little bit. So far, you guys, again, I haven't had it on very long. I am going to continue to wear it throughout the day, and so in my next video I will update you all on how it actually performed throughout the day. But so far it feels nice, it feels weightless, it really doesn't feel like I have anything on. It definitely feels like my skin, and again, the coverage is okay. Like, I had a couple hyperpigmentation spots here. You can still see them peeking through a little bit, but it definitely covered it up a little bit, and I'm not mad at it. So would I recommend this Hello Happy Soft Blurring Foundation? Yeah, I would. This is a great weekend foundation for when you just need to get up and get out the door. So guys, again, all the products will be listed down in the description box. Let me know what some new foundations are that you all have tried out that you've loved, or that maybe you haven't loved, or if you want to see me try it out so that you don't waste your money. So guys, go ahead and sound off in the comment section, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and the subscribe button, and you'll never miss an upload from me. Alright guys, see you in the next video.